The problem with the FRB began with Silicon Valley Bank, started this whole mess.
Customers pulled their money out of First Republic Bank in droves last month after the collapse of Silicon Valley and Signature banks triggered panic across the banking system.
I wouldn't say it started the mess. From my opinion, from what I know, is the media started pumping some information about Silicon Valley Bank. And people started running out, taking their money out because of whatever they're hearing from the media.
So customers withdrew $72 billion in deposits from the San Francisco-based regional lender. But First Republic says that number could have been a lot higher if not for 11 of the nation's largest banks coming to its rescue.
I don't know all the facts, the details, but the feds had to get involved. And they had to, I think, seize it for a minute. And there was a lot of information being spewed on the internet, social media. I don't know if it's true, but that's what I hear happened. So in my opinion, that started the whole domino effect. So Silicon Valley Bank was getting some media, someone like the media is putting the gas on the pedal, and people just started taking their money out, billions and billions of dollars, because that bank was a big investor of a lot of tech companies, a lot of startups in the Silicon Valley. And so that happened. And then a few months later, the media press was coming out about First Republic Bank. So that started the spinning of the wheel again. And the media started pumping the pedal on the gas. And it just started spinning the information that wasn't true, from my understanding, what I was told. And that began making the customers nervous. And First Republic Bank were a big player in the tech world down there, and the media just started hitting them really hard. I don't know if it was political. I hear all kinds of theories out there. They started losing money, but I do know they were solvent. They were just fine. And misinformation, once again, created an element of fear with their customer base. Because of that fear, they were starting to get phone calls and stuff at the bank. That's when we got the call to activate a team in different states to deploy agents. So it goes back to misinformation. They have an intelligence team that was gathering information. I guess there was a call being made to the bank, and so they felt they needed to pull the trigger and be proactive before media started hounding them. And they needed to basically create a buffer between the bank and the media, and they used us to protect their C-suite, their residences in different states. And so we deployed a massive team of people throughout different states to provide that protection.